Introducing the next generation of lighting. Meet the DDX and DDXS series surface mount LED downlights.
This slim, low-profile fixture measures less than 1 inch in thickness. Whether you're after powerful illumination or customizable color temperatures, our DDX and DDXS series have you covered. With field-selectable color temperatures, effortlessly switch between 2700K to 5000K to match any interior ambiance. With this color rendering index above 90, the DDX provides comfortable and natural lighting. Enjoy powerful illumination with up to 1,270 lumens from the DDX and 1,250 lumens from the DDXS.
Maximize energy efficiency with the built-in motion sensor available in our DDXS series. Installing our new downlight is a breeze with our twist-lock diffuser and direct junction mount for a flush installation. Take comfort in the fact that the DDX and DDXS are California Title 24 J8 compliant.
Upgrade your lighting today with the versatile, easy-to-install, and efficient DDX and DDXS series from Tracelight by Baron Lighting.